doing a tasting for all the coffees here. This looks so good. And like literally, look at our view. Literally having coffee in a jungle. This is what real vanilla looks like.
Yes, this is real vanilla that you look like this.
Wow.
This is the bean, but the vanilla.
This is real vanilla.
Yes. But if you want, this is the thick for baking.
Can I smell it?
Sorry.
Wow, it smells really good.
You want to smell the vanilla stuff?
Wow.
But if you buy this real vanilla, this very very expensive. Like extract, this the powder, this more cheap the price because it's not real the vanilla because we have more ingredient and it's more the price.
How much is like vanilla, for example?
But in here, this is the we're selling this the 5 vanilla pot. This the 315,000
What is that?
for the one of 5 vanilla.
That's expensive. Like what, 20 bucks?
Yeah.
Yes. And then
Yeah. Oh,
Cinnamon.
there's the cinnamon stick.
wow. That smells so good.
wow.
Yes. the
Can I smell it
cinnamon,
again?
Yes. They use for baking and it's
Yeah.
the food. That's for the herbal tea. Then you also use the tea and then we mix with the chocolate.
Oh,
We have
yeah?
the cinnamon chocolate.
That smells phenomenal.
Yeah, and this is the mangosteen fruit. Have you tried this fruit?
What fruit?
Mangosteen. This is
No.
not mango. This is the tropical fruit, and then the season the same like durian.
Okay.
And this is we call the queen because durian is the king of the fruit. But in here, this the skin, the mangosteen we use also for herbal tea because it's good for high cholesterol and good for cancer.
Which one is it? What is it called?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen, yeah.
We can't buy that in the States
We
though.
can use like in the traditional market. The taste smell like lychee.
This smells like lychee?
Yeah. Oh no, this is the poop coffee.
Oh, the poop
This
coffee.
is the mangosteen. The
Oh, sorry.
similar that tastes like lychee.
Oh, it tastes like lychee.
Coffee?
Yeah, this is the poop coffee. This is the most expensive coffee, and it's ready the fermentation system.
Wow.
And this is the coffee that's
Hello.
still do the traditional process. We do the fire root.
So this is how coffee is made?
Yes.
And then for the right now we are saying the coffee is not with the machine because
Yeah.
it's the control the quality the bean and it's the smell and the
Oh
taste
my
also
god, that
is
smells
much better.
phenomenal.
This is Luwak coffee. This is the coffee from the animal. This
Smell
is
that.
the small mile. This
Smells
is,
amazing.
Yes.
Smells
But if
like
you-
I can't. I've never smelled coffee like this before. So good.
And it's regular. That's the coffee from the tree. That's the smell.
Wow.
The normal
No, it
Yeah,
still smells
this
good. I like.
smells
or the
normal.
strong.
Yeah.
So you
I like
this
the other one.
Luwak coffee,
Of
yeah?
course, I like the other one.
Yeah.
You grind it yourself here.
Yes.
Wow.
But all the
Then you put it here.
is the, like the filter. That's the shifting.
Oh, you
of
go through the
powder.
filter.
Yes. That's
Wow.
The grind and smell is the coffee. It is
Yeah.
the coffee powder.
It smells so good.
And we have this the dark chocolate, orange, vanilla, chili, salt, cappuccino, and the cinnamon chocolate also.
Yeah, that's so crazy. So each one of these actually has a property that's good for, I don't know, whatever issue you're going through. Like I know I have thyroid issues, so this lemongrass would be perfect for that.